Now let's take a closer look at the cash flow summary, which gives you a quick overview of where your money stands for the month. The first line is your starting balance. The expected amount is automatically carried over from your previous month's closing balance, so you don't have to enter it again. However, your actual bank balance will often be different. Most of us don't record every purchase immediately, so your planner and your bank account may not always match exactly. When you start a new month, simply enter your current bank balance here. This helps keep your cash flow calculations as accurate as possible. From there, everything else on this page is automatically updated for you. Your income, bills, savings contributions, debt payments, and cash flow calculations all pull information from the other sections of the planner, so you only need to enter your information once. Now let's scroll down and see how the planner uses that information to project where you'll finish the month. Further down the page is your month-end cash flow, which helps you see where you're expected to finish financially by the end of the month. The expected amount shows how much money you should have left if you receive all of your expected income and spend exactly what you've budgeted for the month. Unlike the expected amount, the current amount only uses the income you've already received and recorded, not the income you're still expecting later in the month. Combined with the expenses you've paid and recorded so far, it gives you a real-time picture of where you currently stand. Next is minus unpaid obligations. This subtracts any bills or scheduled payments that are still unpaid, giving you a more realistic estimate of the money you still have available. If you click the small arrow beside minus unpaid obligations, you'll see a list of every unpaid bill that's included in that total, along with the amount and due date. This makes it easy to see exactly what's still left to pay without having to search through your budget. Let's look at an example. Right now, my current amount is $1,141.15. I also have $550.24 in unpaid obligations still to be paid this month. If I don't receive any more income or record any additional expenses, paying those remaining bills would leave me with $590.91. That's exactly what the projected cash remaining shows. It estimates how much money you'll have left at the end of the month once you've received all of your income and paid your remaining obligations. As the month goes on, this amount updates automatically. Each time you record income you've received, enter an expense, or mark a bill as paid, your projected cash remaining is recalculated, giving you an up-to-date forecast of where you should finish the month. The more consistently you record your income and spending, the more accurate this forecast becomes. Before we continue, let's take another quick look at the upcoming bills and alerts section. This section automatically keeps track of your upcoming bills and lets you know when something is due soon or overdue, helping you stay on top of your monthly commitments. Below that is financial notes, which is perfect for one-time expenses that aren't part of your regular budget. For example, if I know I'll need to buy a wedding gift this month, I'll type wedding gift, enter the estimated amount, choose the date, and click the plus button. Now it appears in my reminders, helping me remember that upcoming expense without affecting any of my budget totals. It's a simple way to keep those occasional purchases from slipping through the cracks. Remember, financial notes are for reminders only. They're completely separate from your budget, so they aren't included in your income, expense, cash flow, or spending totals. It's simply a convenient place to keep track of one-time expenses you don't want to forget.